Hello. Aaron Wills again, bringing you another random rambling video, if it works right. I started this on Monday, the 21st day of October in 2024 at 3:38 a.m. I'm up in the middle of the night just to make this video for you. Actually, I'm up in the middle of the night just to check this video and this audio again. Checking the audio in the middle of the night.
Looks pretty clean, that's good.
That's because I can't get this shit off my mind. I don't know what the fuck went wrong with my audio interface. Now I don't know why it's not working going straight into the computer. I figured out how to turn the gain down. It was clipping and peaking everywhere and just sounded like shit. And now it might be turned down. The gain might be turned down too much. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. I know you can see me, but can you hear me? That's the question. Well, you can hear me is the question. I know how to turn the gain up and down now. That water is good, but it's almost gone. I'll probably finish it up during this video. It's very tired in here, I can tell you that. It's very tired and sleepy in here. All over, there's tired and sleepy all over this place. That was me forcing my own head down to suck my own Dia. No, I wish I could. No, I don't really wish I could. I wouldn't do it even if I could. That's nasty. There are people in the world that can suck their own Dia. But not Mia. If I could, I wouldn't do it. Almost empty water. Alright, back to the show. Went back to the vid Joe. I told you, it's very sleepy in here. Very tired and sleepy in here. So I'm going to hang this up and go to bed, I think. That's enough of the early morning audio check. So, peace from Mahado.